felt good to make that much progress. Now I'm going to take my tub and my garden tools and go over to the lots my neighbors that are giving me some red yucca seedlings. I'm so happy. So I still need to treat the bed, fill in the bed, and I'm gonna get rocks and go around and define the bed, but that won't be today. It is getting hot. I'm gonna go get in the shower after doing all that work outside. Thought I'd show y'all Bandit. He doesn't like the camera. Say hi, everybody. You wanna talk to everybody? What do you want to say? Are you telling Mama get that camera out of your face? You giving me a hug? Okay, I finished my morning chores. Now I'm going to take Bandit for a walk. You ready to go for a walk? Nope, you got to sit. Sit. Good boy, wait. He says, I thought you were faster than that, Mama. Okay, now we're ready. I know a lot of people are wondering how it is that I'm able to hold a job with my brain injury. And the truth is that here at the RV park, the tasks are pretty well identified. Not pretty well, they're very identified as to what I do step by step for each thing, whether it's checking someone in and them going to their RV site, or I do things as menial as giving people quarters for the laundry room, giving passcodes for some of the buildings, and really just helping every way I can. I did a lot of shredding papers yesterday and things like that, and of course answering the phone and greeting people and seeing what members need. So I can do this job, and I'm very, very, very grateful to have this job. And I am amazed that I wasn't even supposed to see 2016. And here it is. I have my own RV lot. I live in a community that is wonderful. I'm still going to get to travel when I get Phoenix fixed one day. And I am blown away. I'm writing books. I'm just doing more than I ever thought that I could, and I am so grateful. And I just want to take this opportunity again to thank everyone for being on this journey with me and Bandit. I love you, Coco, no matter what. Keep on keeping on, no matter what. One day at a time. Coco NMW ODAT. That's how I'm doing the deal, you guys. I'm just taking it 1 hour at a time. And my life just is very, very blessed. I don't know what to tell you as to how I'm able to do what I do other than I'm blessed and God is my source. And you are the conduits for spirit.
He's feisty. Yeah, he just wants to play, baby.
He says, I'm feeling my oats. I forgot your baby's name.
Marty.
Marty. It's a 5-month-old Marty.
No jumping.
Look at this pretty red yucca. That's what mine will look like someday. It looks like my plants that I planted are gonna do okay. Just got through watering them before I took Bandit on his walk. Now I gotta go get ready for work. To support my channel, please consider becoming a channel member or a Coco Fam patron. And don't forget to go to Amazon or my website and check out my books. Thanks for being on this journey with me.